Ask Premier World Mastercard Credit Card Review. Honest user experience and benefits explained. If you're someone who travels often or wants premium financial benefits, the HIS Premier World Mastercard might catch your eye. But is it worth it? After using this card personally, here's the truth most people overlook. Right away, the card feels elite. Lounge access, travel perks, and insurance coverage give you a premium experience from the moment you book a flight. The biggest win for me was global banking support. I could access my accounts and services smoothly even when I was abroad. Rewards programs focus on travel and lifestyle spending. Points convert easily to airline miles or hotel rewards. I noticed the returns are much better when you use the card for international purchases or large expenses. Customer service stands out too. With Premier status, you get priority support, which means no long calls or endless transfers between departments. But, and here's what people get wrong, this card isn't free. You must qualify for HIS Premier with specific income or banking balance requirements. If you don't meet those conditions, the card becomes expensive and not worth the fee. The security features are also impressive. Real-time notifications and fraud detection gave me peace of mind while traveling in different countries. The drawbacks? Everyday cashback isn't the strongest compared to other cards built for groceries or fuel. This card is designed for lifestyle and travel, not basic budget savings. Final verdict: if you already qualify for Premier and want global benefits, VIP service, and strong travel rewards, this card will feel like a perfect companion. But if your lifestyle is more local and budget focused, other cards offer better value. Choose the card that matches your life and let it reward you for the way you spend.